Vault's brand new updates. Introducing a new page in our Vault showing you how to own CHR. Now with detailed explanations for each method and its flow. New dApps dashboard. Users can easily find all their accounts across the network, along with asset balances in our new dApps dashboard. Assets page. Our new Assets page now displays all available balances across different chains, just like a wallet portfolio. As part of our shift towards an asset-centric experience, we have completely re-implemented our transfer, deposit, and withdrawal pages. Actions are now based on available balances instead of manual selections, making the experience far more intuitive. The account creation process in the Vault is now even more user-friendly. It now clearly guides users through all available options and explains each in detail, making the user experience smoother than ever. Staking improvements are officially in motion. Check them out at vault.chromia.com and stay tuned for our next update being published soon. Thank you to our community for running side by side with us. We're incredibly excited for the future of Chromia and what 2026 has in store.